Hello friends, good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today's vlog is going to be very interesting as we are going on a weekend holiday. So weekend holiday is always exciting. So today we are going to a place in called Kashid in Alibag, near to Alibag. Not near, at least it is 35 to 40 kilometers from Alibag. The mode of transport we are using, I will be going by car, but obviously I will be using the M2M ferries, which will save me some time, and I will be going into the M2M ferry for the very first time. So this vlog is going to be very interesting. Stay till the end to enjoy every moment of our trip. Thank you guys.
Hello friends, I hope you would have enjoyed this video till now. So if you like this video, please do hit the like and subscribe button. So I enjoyed this trip and I stayed most of the time outside the AC lounge, which is inbuilt within the M2M ferries, which has a nice seating capacity and which is AC environment. But if you are traveling by M2M ferry, I would prefer that you enjoy the outside view. Even though it was around 10 o'clock in the morning, I didn't feel the summer heat because the cool breeze of the ocean was keeping us all cool, and it was a lovely view from outside. It's just a 1 hour drive, 1 hour ride from Mazgaon to Mandava, so make the most of it. So I prefer to stay outside and enjoy the nice scenic view of the Arabian Sea. Finally, an hour later, around 11 o'clock, we reached Mandava and we are moving out of the ferry towards Alibag. It was a wonderful trip. Just a word of advice to all those travelers who are planning to travel by M2M ferry, to avoid any last moment disappointment of not getting tickets. I would prefer you people booking the tickets online. M2M ferries has an online app in Android as well as in iOS. So book your tickets well in advance if you are traveling along with your car or your bike or scooter. So it was a very pleasant trip. I hope you all enjoyed this video. There is still more yet to come of the videos which I have taken from Alibag and Kashid. If you want to watch more videos of Kashid and Alibag, the beautiful view which I am showing right now, stay tuned to my channel and do hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as I publish these videos. So till then, stay safe and goodbye, and thank you all for watching this video. Thank you.